Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're killing a lie you've been telling yourself. You think you're addicted to your phone, to games, or to dopamine. But here's the reality: you aren't addicted. You're just distracted. Addiction implies you have no power. Distraction means you've lost your focus. We're going to break down the 3 levels of distraction that are quietly ruining your life, and I guarantee, level 2 and level 3 are going to catch you off guard. If you want to move from being a passenger in your own life to being the driver, let's get disciplined. Level 1 is the obvious one. The digital black hole. This is where your time goes to die. The binge. It starts with one YouTube video, then it's a 4-hour binge. It's starting an anime with 1,000 episodes and realizing it's 3 a.m. The live trap. You watch a 5-hour cricket or football match. When it ends, you don't go to work. You spend another hour checking the points table and looking up when the next match is. The one more round, whether it's Free Fire or BGMI, these games are designed to keep you in a loop. Why it's dangerous? These are top level because they are high stimulus. They numb your brain so much that you don't even realize 4 hours have passed. You aren't living, you're just spectating someone else's wins. Now, let's say you're smart. You've deleted the games. You've put the phone away. You think you're winning. But then, you spend 2 hours perfectly arranging your desk. Or you solve a Rubik's Cube 10 times in a row. Or you listen to 5 self-improvement podcasts back to back. This is middle-level distraction. These are non-digital, often healthy activities used as a shield to avoid real work. The reality check. Cleaning your room is great, but if you're cleaning it to avoid studying or coding, it's still a distraction. You haven't fixed your focus, you've just traded a digital drug for an analog one. You're still running away from the one thing that actually matters. This is the most dangerous level because it happens while you are trying to be productive. You finally sit down to work out, or you open your laptop to solve a problem. But instead of doing the work, you spend 30 minutes planning the perfect workout routine. Watch how-to videos for a task you should already be doing. Get caught in a loop of negative thinking. Can I actually do this? What if I fail? Is it even possible for me? Planning is not doing. Thinking about the work is not the work. This low-level noise is your brain's last-ditch effort to keep you in your comfort zone. It's the distraction of the mind. So, how do we fix this? How do we flip the switch from distracted to disciplined? It's simpler than you think, but harder than you'd like. 1. The single task rule. Stop trying to manage your time. Manage your focus. Choose one task. Just one. Tell yourself, for the next 50 minutes, nothing exists except this problem, this workout, this page. 2. Awareness is the antidote. When you feel the urge to check a score or clean your desk, stop. Label it. Say out loud, I am being distracted right now. The moment you name it, you regain power over it. 3. Close the open loops. Discipline isn't about having a 10-page planner. It's about execution. Stop watching the how-to video and start doing the how-to. 10 minutes of messy action is better than 2 hours of perfect planning. You have the potential to do incredible things, but you're giving your greatness away to apps and busy work. Stop being distracted. Start being intentional. If this video gave you the wake-up call you needed, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm find other people who need to hear this. For more deep dives into mindset and productivity, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment below. Which level of distraction is your biggest enemy? Level 1, 2, or 3? Let's talk about it. I'm your techie, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay focused.